Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be solving a Rubik's Cube, but Oliver's gonna get just as much credit because he's gonna be messing up, and messing it up is about 5 times harder. Big thumbs up. Thumbs up.
No.
Okay, now start messing it up.
So if I can show it.
It's already nearly messed up, guys. But he's gonna mess it up more.
To make it even more difficult.
Okay.
I think that's it really. It was already messed up.
Okay, and now from here, all you need to do is watch. Oliver, you just open up the blinds a bit so I can see what colours they are more clear, and then that'll be a bit helpful. So anyway guys, let's just wait there. What I've done so far is that.
Maybe at the end
that's
could.
Okay. You can see that now.
Maybe at the end we could put it on beam to make it a little bit lighter.
Yeah, particle effects. But anyway, guys.
Yeah.
I will show you every now and then. Like I'll show you when I've done one step. Because like right now. So now Oliver's gonna play some music. Just to make it sound better. So go, Oliver.
I'm gonna try to. This can't stand up, so I'll have to do it with 1,
2, 1, go. Decent music, Oliver. What a decent music. Just look at that drum.
Wait, I just need to.
Decent music.
I need to put the man down or it. The people.
Yeah, because we have a band for everything. We're the band dudes. Anyway, guys, we really need to get on with this, or this video will take about
10 years.
Yeah, 10 years.
And then you will want to watch it all.
So, anyway.
I just put it on to get it to cough.
In the comments, please say how we could improve our videos, and just hit the subscribe button if you're watching this. Like, it only takes 2 seconds of your life. That's a nice drum, Oliver. It only takes like 2 seconds of your life. It takes like 1 second to maybe like a minute to comment, about 20 seconds to share. So just do all that stuff. It really helps out on the channel, as we're not that popular right now. But as you see, guys, I am making some progress.
And also something I want to show you is once we were in football club and we got some trophies.
That is random, Oliver, but I like it. That is random, but I like it. Let's show you in detail. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Nice music, well. Okay, guys. So, yeah.
Quite an awkward video.
As I was saying, it takes, well, I'm not going to go through the time limits again, because it'll take ages, and then the video will actually end up being 10 years. But anyway, just do all that good stuff, and write in the comments if you do end up commenting, give us ideas for videos, like how we could improve videos, and then we would be so happy with that. And if I'm not done in 10 seconds, Oliver can give me a slap in the face. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, done.
I want to give you a slap across the face.
Okay, you can give me one anyway, as long as I can give you one.
No.